or something.
Hi, Julian.
Snack. Oh wait, I can go all the way over there. So look, oh, there's a botones. You can click the botones.
The botones there.
Botones, well. Click the botones.
Hi guys.
Okay.
Nasa airport kami. Papunta ng terminal.
So far, very good. You make a terminal extension then.
Okay.
We are currently in the competition phase. Competition.
Hello guys, Chi-Chi.
Yeah.
If you occupy emergency exit road, then you must place all victims into the lockers above you. Please keep the aisle free so the others can pass around you and finish your departure as soon as possible.
You want to put your backpack on top?
No, he will need something.
Okay, start with the start here.
Oh yeah.
There's no video on it.
My phone.
Yeah, so.
Pictures?
This is 14 there. This is 14. This is 15.
Oh no! He said here.
This is 14. I'm
Okay.
pretty sure it says.
No, Julian, here, Julian. Shh. Here. Here.
It says 14. With that space done, right? Do you want to do
Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted, and released as shown. It must be fastened when the seatbelt signs are on. We recommend you.
Look at the airplane today. It looks beautiful inside, guys.
What are you going to say?
Hi guys. I like the mountains inside. Do my blast off to make tornadoes, and then they'll dry up to make. And case the Monsteria. But I have something to show you guys. Let's look at this recipe book. We can look.
I can hold it to you.
I want to hold it.
You hold the book and then I go.
Would you look down, guys? These are the airport service and orchards and anything you can eat. And these guys are more to eat. When you want to first burritos, do you want to choose? Okay. Oh, do you like this one? Okay. Okay. What else? Oh, you like that?
Nee, niet kapot. sa inyo ang kwarto namin. Nandito kami sa Greece. Sa Creta, sa Crete.
Hi guys, we cannot find our house, guys. So let's go to the bedroom house. Look, voila! Looks amazing, guys. Do you like our videos? Press the subscribe button and the bell. Goodbye.
Well, give me the camera.
Yeah, come, take it. Come.
So, ito yung ano namin, guys, ang kwarto namin sa hotel. At, yes, nandito kami sa Creta, sa Crete. Still cold, baby.
This one is stiff and that one is not at all.
You can go to the beach. But you need to get dressed, okay?
Hi guys, we're in the bedroom house and there's swimming pools. Look guys.
Hi guys! Dito kami sa beach, guys. Mediterranean Sea. Tingnan ko kung malamig bang water. Oh, okay. Hanggang. Oh my God. Oh. It's cold. Cold. So yes, tinesting ko yung tubig, hinawakan ko malamig. Okay ang weather, medyo warm, pero ang tubig malamig. So dito muna si Mamshi, hindi muna ako maliligo sa dagat. Malamig ang tubig. Yes, what is it?
It's so scary, the big waves.
Ah no, the waves will not come here. It's so far away, gonna hedge. So yan. Si Julian naglalaro ng sand as usual. Yan. Show me your ano ba? Your tiger shark. Monster truck.
I'll make it sand castle. Wow.
Hi guys, nandito kami downtown ng Creta. Yan, lakad-lakad lang kami. Have a light lunch. So that he'll eat properly.
I like pizza.
Pizza and one fish dish? Okay.
Daddy, what do you want to have? Meat.
Yeah, we have that. It's okay.
So. Hi, Gian.
Hi.
Do you like it?
Yum, yum.
Oh, after. Come here.
Let's go that way.
Careful, you need to watch on the left and right. You can cross. On the way to the coast, I guess. I'm not quite sure where we are. It's beginning of the harbor fortification. It's a Venetian castle. And the lighthouse, but it's La Iowa. Hi, Jane.
There's a big berry over here.
Over there used to be the castle behind Papi.
Oh,
Used to be a castle.
Yeah, it's the fortress of the harbor.
It's a fortress pala. The black
Venetian.
Venetian fortress.
the entrance is there.
We go here.
Here you go.
We
First
go,
we go here.
we go first here.
We check out first here.
The people are walking here.
So you can walk a long stretch until the lighthouse.
Gee,
Just be careful, okay? It's a bit like Gagana. Big Bay.
It's like Zamboanga City. May mga rocks on the boulevard.
Well, they put it here so it's protected.
This shape looks like a sock.
Okay, let's go up. They're not there. Here. You see there's red arrow, green arrow going up. That is going down. So, let's go up. You can go ahead.
Thank you.
Ayan, dito kami ngayon guys. Nag-walking kami at tuman kami dito sa Sea Fortress ng Creta. At ayun guys, kanina naghahanap-hanap kami ng restaurant. Yung first restaurant na napuntahan namin, hindi ko nagustuhan kasi kunti lang yung choices. At I think it's not for... Wala silang mga Greek, classic Greek food. So, lumipat kami. So, pumunta kami sa isa. O yung isa parang tourist trap. Parang siyang touristy na restaurant. So, pero okay naman yung pagkain nila. Masarap naman. No complaints. Pero yung presyo medyo mahal. Pero okay na rin. At least for experience. Ayan, guys. Dito yung dagat guys sa likod ko. Dagat sa likod ko. Ayan. At ayun, kahit kahit na tourist trap yung yung pinuntahan namin na restaurant, okay naman. Okay din yung pagkain, ang sarap. Yung in-order ko yung yung veal with eggplant at may anong tawag ng yung cheese, Antitoros cheese or Antotiros cheese, ganun. Sarap siya. So ayan, nandito kami sa Sea Fortress at sila Papi at si Julian ay nandoon sa taas. Nandun. Kung nakikita ninyo, andun sila. Ayun. Yung banda. Diyan banda. Diyan sila. So yan. Dito kami. Katapos dito, baka punta kami sa balik kami sa hotel namin at magpapahinga muna saglit at balik na naman kami sa dagat. Ayan, take advantage ang dagat guys habang dito kami. Kasi doon sa amin walang dagat. Sa Switzerland walang dagat. Lang, lake at river. So, dito kami sa sa Greece. So, take advantage ang dagat. Ayan. Vacation mode si Mom Shi at ang family. Hi guys! Andito ulit kami sa beach. Kagabi, hindi na kami lumabas. Doon kami sa hotel. At, ayun, busog kasi kami noon. So, hindi na kami lumabas. Tsaka may leftover na pagkain from lunchtime hapon. So, yun ang kinain ni Julian. Yung leftover na pagkain yung lunchtime, yung pizza. So, yun ang kinain ni Julian. And then, kaming mag-asawa.
Papi, come on, let's play.
Kaming mag-asawa, lang kami. Bumili lang kami ng tinapay sa bakery. Hindi kami gutom. Kaya, ayun. So, ngayon, ayan, nandito kami sa beach. Nagpapainit. Ang tubig sa dagat medyo malamig, pero okay na siya. Kasi pagpasok mo sa tubig, malamig. Pero paglabas mo, mainit. So, it's okay. Di ba, Papi? So, yes. Ayan. Go! You should jump. Jump.
I want to jump. Big one!
Jump.
Oh, that's a flash one. Even bigger flash one.
Jump, jump. Oh, oh, push up. Yeah, karate. Oh, oh, oh.
Whoa! Whoa! My heart! Mommy, come on!
Save me.
Please, please. Mommy, please! Daddy! Save Mommy!
Come, I hold you, you hold mommy. Come, I hold you. Oh, a bigger wave is coming. A bigger wave is coming. A bigger wave is coming.
Jump.
A bigger wave is coming.
Two big waves! Mommy, Papi, let's go!
Okay.
Look! Enough!
Who's next to you?
Whoa! That was a mighty! Mightier!
We can sit down here. Come. Hi, Julian. You like your apple juice?
Do you like the song, Julian? Hmm? Do you like the song? You have a mouth to talk? Oh, that's the problem.
Hi, Papi.
Hi. Maybe I don't need to talk. You're not me. I was just anyway big. Then Julian will have a nap, I think. After we think. So you have power.
Holiday. Holiday. Dinner time.
All right.
High five.
I want the high five.
High five.
I cannot pronounce it properly. Galacto milk.
Galacto, blah blah. Yeah.
Galacto. The place is nice, huh? I had yesterday the yogurt with toppings.
Try natin ano guys, Greek coffee.
It's doble lakas. Yeah, it's Greek coffee. It's slightly different from
Strong.
doble lakas. Yeah, doble lakas.
Joy is eating something.
Yeah. Come take a video of this one.
This is a
Galacto today. It's like balaclava, but it's filled with something kind of pudding. Super tasty. Super tasty.
ang lakas ng kape. Ay,
Blank pudding.
tapang. Tapang ng kape guys, tapang. Woo. Do they put milk? No.
Well, if you like, you can probably do that.
Okay.
You take a time to drink it. Lakas. And don't worry, in the bottom there's coffee powder.
Ah. Hi guys! Ayan, andito tayo ulit sa opisina ni Ma'am Shi. Ayan guys, review ko lang po yung yung Greek coffee. Grabe as in guys. Ito na yata ang pinaka matapang at pinakamalakas na kape na natikman ko sa buong buhay ko. As in, natalo na yata yung Bolivian coffee. As ang lakas talaga. Para kung yung natikman ko pa yun. Para ako na, tawag nito na, para akong sinuntok sa mukha or sinampal ng ng baka. Pero, ayan. Pero totoo talaga guys, as in, talaga, yung tapang talaga na ng lasa. At, ayun, talaga ako, as in, amazed ako. At, nagustuhan ko rin, kasi I'm also a coffee lover, so, as in sa lahat na kape na natikman ko, ito na pinaka talaga to siya, nakakadila talaga yung mga mata ninyo. Wow. As in yung mata ko pagtikim ko yung first sip ko, as in yung dila ko para ako parang gumanin ako konti. parang nagising ako. So, ayun, ang lakas talaga at ang ano niya, ang tapang ng lasa. As in, guys, yung caffeine ng Greek coffee, grabe. Nakakaano talaga, guys, And then, yeah, yung araw na yun, andun lang kami sa beach. Ayan, beach side. At, ayun, guys. At, si Momshi, I went into the water and it was okay kasi yung temperature na yun, nasa 29, 30, 31. So, yung water medyo nag-warm na siya. So, nakaya ko yung tubig, guys. Na yun, medyo malamig yung tubig, pero okay na. Kayang-kaya na ni Momshi. At si Julian rin na rin siya pumunta na rin sa tubig. Yung hindi malalim. Ayun, enjoy kami lahat, guys. Pagkatapos ng beach, guys, kami, nagbasa-basaan kami, ayan. At naglalaro sa sand. At pumunta kami sa restaurant. Sa restaurant, nag-order ako ng squid, and then grilled squid, and then si Papi V nag-order ng Greek salad. And then, nag-order din ako ng fries. Kasi si Julian, medyo siya picky sa pagkain. Di siya open try ng other food. So, ang niya, gusto niya, fried potato, or pasta, na walang halong iba. Sabi ko, Julian, please eat. Ayan. You need protein in your body. Ayun, binibigay ni Papi V ng bell pepper or cucumber. Then ako rin, pinapano ko sa kanya yung squid. Ayaw niya yung squid. Ito yung mahirap sa mga bata, guys, when we go somewhere in somewhere new place or new location, then iba yung mga pagkain nila. Ayan, so siya na hindi siya open. Ayan. Then gusto niya yung hinahanap niya yung pagkain, yung niluluto ko, yung sinigang, yung gusto niya may radish, or yung gusto niya yung chicken or pork sa sinigang, and then adobo, then yung mga fried food dito sa Switzerland, yung flat chicken, ang tawag yung schnitzel, then ang tawag ito, ayun, mga roasted chicken, mahilig siya dyan. Then, broccoli, kinakain niya yung broccoli. Cauliflower, chop suey, yung mga cauliflower, broccoli, yan ang kinakain niya. Bell pepper, fresh ones, yan ang gusto niya. At cucumber. Ayun, hindi siya open sa trying new food. Ewan ko, I think it's normal in this age, pero would be nice, kahit a little bit, itry lang niya ba, para, new taste, and then baka gusto niya or hindi. Ayaw niya talaga itry. As in, nahirapan kami, guys. Pero ayun, at buti naman kinain niya yung potatoes, ayan, fried potatoes, so, ayun, pero would be nice na, na kumain rin siya ng protein food. Ayun, guys, medyo na ako sa in-order kong squid kasi kala ko isang buong squid, yung malaking squid, yung katulad sa atin sa Pilipinas, yung i-grilled, one order, buong big squid. Yung binigay sa akin, yung serve nila, 2 maliliit na squid. Yung restaurant na yun, ako na dismaya, pero okay na rin. Okay na lang. Okay na yun. Okay naman yung niya, yung marinate niya, yung toppings niya. Pero ako kasi, kala ko isang buong big squid. Yung pala, lang pala, guys. 2 baby squid. So, ko, hanggang dito lang yan sa sa throat ko. Pero anyway, all in all, okay naman yung pagkain namin. Pero yun lang nga, yung maliit yung squid. So far, so good. Yung overall, yung araw namin na yun is really fine, really exciting. At may na si Julian, may new song siya na nagustuhan, yung Holiday by Madonna. Nagustuhan niya yung kanta na yun. Hindi halata sa mukha, pero yun siya. Nakaano yun siya sa plato, di ba? Then, nagpe-play siya ng beat. Yung beat ng ng background music, yung Holiday ni Madonna. So, nagpe-play siya ng beat. So, sabi ko, you like that song? Parang si Papi V at tanong niya, nagustuhan daw niya yung song pero ayaw niya aminin. So, yeah, overall, it went well. It went well our day.
We're in the upper
Yeah.
Because it's
Well, the
moving.
bus and the deck in the front.
A projector bus is a high thingy that is always moving.
trees on top of the mountain.
nandito ulit tayo sa aking mahiwagang opisina. Uy, nakasombrero si Mamshi. Galing kasi ako sa labas, guys, at medyo sunny ang weather. Himala. No. Actually, I think it's already summer na here in Switzerland, so that's why, getting warm na. At ang rainy season is slowly ending. Pero this weekend, uulan daw. Pero this day, sunny, and nasa 27, 28 degrees yata. Ayan. Pero okay na. Baka mamayang hapon maabot ng 32 degrees. Tingnan natin. So, yes, guys. Update lang po tayo sa, yung namin, gala namin sa downtown. Ayan. Ayun, guys. Andun kami sa, sa Heraklion. At sumakay kami ng hop-on, hop-off bus. At, ayun, na-surprise si Julian kasi sabi niya, yung first punta namin sa, sa downtown, nakita niya yung double-deck bus, sabi niya, Mommy, I want to ride that. Sabi ko, next time, if we have time, sabi ko. Then, the night before we went to ride the hop-on, hop-off bus, nabobolol. Nag-usap kami ng asawa ko, sabi ko, can we, do we still have time to go around the city or, ride the hop-on, hop-off bus? Kasi si Julian haven't ride it yet, so it will be his first time to ride a hop-on, hop-off bus. So sabi na sa ako, sure, it's no problem because we have really no plans. We just hang out lang sa beach, ayan, kasi kay Julian, okay na sa kanya ang dagat, guys, at maglaro ng sand, ayan, okay na yun sa kanya, masaya na siya doon sa, sa activity niya, at gawa kami ng sandcastle, ayan, then, may rin siya, may mga drawing book, coloring book, okay na yun sa kanya, pero, ayun, sabi ko sa kanya, let's go downtown. Yun nga yung first, punta kami downtown, and lakad kami, nakikita siya mga new things, new stuff, new places, ayan. So, ayan, yung araw na yun, na pumunta kami sa downtown, pinasakay namin siya ng hop-on, hop-off bus. Then, pumunta kami, naglakad kami, palapit sa bus. Mommy, why are we going here? Come. Then, si Papi V pumunta na sa loob, bumili na ng ticket. Ayun, na-surprise si Julian at sabi niya na, we are really riding a double-deck bus. Ako, yes! Yay! He was so happy, guys, as in grabe, from ear to ear. He's really happy. And then, ayun, yung pag-akit namin sa second floor ng double-deck bus, ayun, siya, guys, na-rattle siya, parang natatakot siya umakyat. Hinahinay siya umakyat eh. And sabi ko, Julian, let's go upstairs. And then, yeah, but I'm scared. So, no, don't have to be scared. Mommy and Papi are here. And then, ayun, inassist namin siya. And then, pinaupo. Then, okay naman siya. Sabi ko, if you want, we'll sit downstairs. No, I want to sit upstairs. Okay, we go upstairs. But then, sinabihan namin siya na when you're upstairs and you want to sit on the yung side na ng double deck bus, yung may rail lang, yun, please be careful. Don't ever put your hands out the rail. Ayan, sabi ko sa kanya, out from the bus, because you never know, you'll get awa means hurt, or something might hit you over there, and just don't. And sabi niya, no, I will not do that, Mommy. I don't want to get hurt. Sabi niya, okay, that's good. Na-enjoy kami lahat, guys, pero hindi kami bumaba sa mga tourist attractions kasi si Julian ayaw niya lumakad. ayaw niya mag-hiking or walking sa yung isa sa mga tourist attraction, yung temple man yata, yung temple na andun yung Greek mythological creature na yung half bull head and then half yung katawan niya is tao. So yung ulo niya bull. So ayaw niya lumakad. So nag-stay put lang kami sa sa bus. Inikot lang namin ang yung mga yung buong rota ng ng tourist bus. So, kada stop and yung mga tourist attraction. So, hindi kami bumaba guys kasi ayaw ni Julian na lumakad. Ayaw niya maglakad guys. Natatamad siya. So, ayan, doon lang kami sa bus. Ayan, inikot lang namin yung buong ano. And then, yung first namin dinaanan yung Venetian Port. Ano yun guys, yung structures na may parang tatlo or apat yata yung may ganyan. Doon daw yung ginagawa yung mga boats or barko, yung centuries old. Ayan, taga na yun, many years ago. Ayan. Then, yung sunod namin pinuntahan yung mga structures na nasira sa earthquake. Then, pero ni-renovate nila guys yung church. Yan. Ang Greece guys, they are mostly guys, Orthodox. Ayan, Orthodox Christians. I'm really amazed with them because they're very religious. They're like, Filipino Catholics. Di ba tayo, dadaan tayo ng simbahan, gumagano tayo sa sign of the cross. Sila din, guys. As in, I was like, parang rin daw, mga Filipino rin ba? So, they also do that. Kada pass nila ng mga church, yung church na, na Orthodox church, nagsa-sign of the cross din sila. So, I was like, wow, this is really, this is really nice. Kala ko sa mga Filipinos lang gumagawa nun. Pero sila din. So, yan. Ayun, na-pass by namin yung dinaanan namin yung mga structures na nasira sa earthquake. And then, matagal na yun na earthquake. Parang, hindi ko na basta matagal na yun. Yun daw yung pinakamalakas na, na earthquake na na-hit sa Greece. So, yung mga ibang temples nasira sa earthquake, and then yung mga church nasira, pero na-renovate nila. Ayan. And then yung mga architectural design na mga gusali nila, ayan, mga modern, mga old, then yung mga surroundings nila, yung mga parks, ayan, doon kami, dinaanan namin lahat, guys. Yung isang rota nga mismo ng, ng tourist bus. So, ayun, and then, nag-stop kami doon sa, yung isa sa mga famous places dito sa sa Creta, yung temple na doon daw sumikat or doon daw na known na Greek mythological creature. Yun daw yung Minotaur or Minotaur. Yung body niya tao. Yung ulo niya bull. So, yun ang niya, Greek mythological creature. Doon daw siya na well-known sa temple na yun. At, ayun, you can, guys, you can browse it in the Google about the tourist attractions in Heraklion. Ayan, in Creta, guys. Crete, Greece. Ayan. Ayan, maraming mga sightseeings dito, guys. Ayun na, may nakita kaming tavern. Tavern is like a restaurant. Pero makikita niyo po yung yung design, yung mga interior, nila is more on talaga, guys, yung about Greece, yung mga people in Greece, mga pictures, mga collectibles, ayan, mga Cretan people, ayan. So, yun. Na-try namin yung Cretan salad. Siya, guys? Ibang cheese ang ginamit nila, hindi feta cheese. And then, okay siya. Nakakabusogin. Then, ang kinain ko, guys, yun ang in-order ni Papi V, yung salad. Cretan salad. So, ayun. Refreshing talaga yung mga salad sa Greece, guys. As in, yung Greek salad at yung Cretan salad, as in nakaka-refresh at nakakabusog din. Okay yung salad na in-order ni Papi, pinatikim niya ako. So ayan. Kasi yung in-order ko, guys, snails. Ayan. At
what is that?
Okay naman yung snails na in-order ko. Wala lang, something for a change, guys. Because yung last ko nakatikim ng snails was when I was in Philippines. Pero yun, guys, ginataang snails. Snails in coconut cream. Ayan. At medyo manghang siya. So, itong yung in-order ko, siya, guys, with olive oil, of course, olive oil, ano talaga, ng Greece, ayan, yung Greek olive oil. So, yun talagang partner nila na, ano tawag ito, yung, kapag magluluto sila, Greek olive oil talagang ginagamit nila. So, ayan, malasa yung Greek, nila, olive oil. Then, ayun, yung snails, and then nilagay nila ng parang herbs, and then salt, and then, ayun, okay siya. Okay naman yung lasa. Medyo salty, pero okay naman. Okay siya. For the price is okay. Yan. Then, kay Julian, nag-order kami para sa kanya different food. Buti naman kinain niya. At nabusog din daw siya. And then, natikman din namin ang cretan pie. Ayan, cretan pie. Sarap niya, guys. Ang laman niya, guys, is cheese. Ayan. At with parang honey on top. And then sesame, I think sesame seed yung topping. Pero okay siya, guys. Nagustuhan ko. So yes, guys, yung lugar na yun is really nice. Very affordable at grabe yung serving, as in sulit na sulit, guys. Talaga yung presyo at yung ambience, ayan, very nice. Hindi lang guys, hindi lang po ang hop on hop off bus ang pwede lang ninyo ma-access ang mga tourist spots. Meron din sila mga museums. Hindi lang kami pumunta sa museums, guys, kasi si Julian, kada kita niya ng mga hawakan niya, so natatakot kami kasi baka masisira niya. Then mahal kaya yung mga stuff sa museum. So hindi kami pumunta sa museum. Lang kami, yun nga, nag-bus lang kami. Then naglibot-libot lang kami sa downtown. And then nakita namin isang restaurant na medyo labas sa downtown. Then may nakita kami playground. Ayan, naglaro sila, Papi tsaka si Julian. Ayun, ako nagre-relax ako. Ayan, at okay yung araw namin. It was really nice and also memorable kasi it was Julian's first time to ride a double-deck bus. Ayan. So, we were really, really happy. And, yan. Check. Check sa ni Julian experience. So, ayan, guys. Thank you again so much for your support in my channel and also in my videos. Ayan. Sa mga hindi pa po subscribe sa aking channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell down below, ha? For more, Shandy V, Papi V, and Julian V. Ayan. Next naming gala, tingnan natin saan tayo pupunta. Thank you, guys! At God bless to everyone! Mwah!